Here at Paramount Tool, we build a lot of custom automated assembly equipment, but I think at the end of the day, the thing that we take a lot of pride in is innovation. We're kind of paid to innovate on our customers' behalf. Our core competency lies in the assembly equipment, automotive testing, inspection, replacing a lot of the tasks that are dangerous for them to do. It's repetitive and doesn't make a lot of sense. We design, concept, build, integrate, and commission fully automated systems. We don't want to limit our end users' creative ability. Standard is a misnomer. It's very rare that we do the same thing over and over again. We've made a lot of investments in our infrastructure so that, again, we have all of the tools at our disposal to do the things that maybe innovate a little bit more than the next person. I think the relationship and the process for us is predicated on trust. We start at the customer and then work our way backwards from there. That relationship that we form with them is extremely important to us. The pride of ownership is really important, not just for our customers, but for our employees too. And every build that we do is an opportunity to kind of create and reinvent yourself. The best compliment we could ever have is if a machine is running millions and millions of cycles decades from now. In many cases, we have those to cite as examples, and we're very proud of that. When it goes out with a Paramount tag on it, you can trust that there's quality behind it. We're always looking for that next level, trying to innovate, trying to create something that maybe hasn't been done before, with a focus and a lean into what ultimately is going to serve the customer. If you have a manufacturing challenge and you're looking to automate and be creative and work with the very best in the business, come to Paramount Tool.